Alright, so I've now got this part completed. Hooray! So I'm just going to turn the camera sideways, it should actually. So everything, this is left rear wheel, right rear wheel. Full bumper is in now. I'll just lift the camera up over the top. So that's the left and the right. Where's the camera? Where's the camera? There it is. Left rear tail light, right rear tail light. Lower line of the bumper there. And we're having some difficulty with this. As you can see, I'm having to put double strength twine, doubling up the twine, which otherwise it snaps, and prising it apart and to get some level of tension, and then pulling it in even further with tape. But I've got several over here that I've had to put in. 1, 2. That's the third one around somewhere. Yes, there's 3. But when I started putting this side on, it pulled things around such that, where was it? Yes, this one. This one's pulled off of its housing. I'll need some more twine on there to compress that, and that one's gone as well. So interestingly, it's there's 2 pieces here. Let me turn it the other way around. Where the airflow comes over the top, over the spoiler. This part here is actually what is it? It's about 20 millimeters lower than those 2 points and those 2 points over here. These ones. And it's having difficulty getting that far away enough downwards. So that pipe's popped off and that's popped off. So when I put some string on those, twine on those to bring those back in and re-glue it, because of the triangulation there, it will push this down where it belongs. Thing to give a sort of a curved bit in this in the middle here, so airflow comes from the back, from the front, over the roof, down here, bunk, and then up and over. That's the general idea on that. But yeah, in general, I'm really happy with how this has turned out. Well, this is, aside from those things, this is basically now complete. And the next phase will be to get ready for fiberglassing. Cool. So, thank you.